Hey devs, welcome back. So in this video, we will be seeing about how to create a login and registration system using the Laravel starter kit package. Okay, so now guys, let's get started. So as we have seen in previous video that we have done with the installation and the database setup, and now we are going to get started with creating the authentication system setup in our Laravel application. So now guys, let's move to our Laravel documentation on the version 11, and let's move on the starter kit here under getting started, and here you have a Laravel Breeze package. So here we are going to click on this installation first, and here is a command. So just copy that, get back to your editor, and make sure you're open the project. And now let's right click and hit enter to create the to install the Breeze package. So let me just open. So guys, let's wait until it gets completely installed. So guys, it's successfully installed, and now let's get back to the documentation, and here we find the command that is php artisan breeze install. Okay, let's copy, control C and paste again, and just give / blade. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so let me just try with / blade. Okay, it doesn't work. I think it had been removed, or you can just give breeze install, hit enter, and here it's asking for blade. Okay, so you just have to enter this blade, 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 hit enter. Would you like to support dark mode? If you want, means you can give yes or else no. So I will give no right now. And which testing you prefer, that is I'll give one. Okay, installing and building the node dependencies. So you can see one extra folder has been created, that is node modules. Perfect. So it has been downloaded and installed all the packages with its build folder in the public folder. Okay, here you see. So now guys, you can get back and see the difference on your server. I mean localhost 8000. So you see that login and register page has been occurred. Let's click on login. So the login page, go back and again click on register. This is the register page. Okay, so now guys, let us see how we can register and login also. And let me just show you my user table. So currently there is no user. Okay, get back. Let's register with at gmail.com, password 1234567 and click on register. So here you see you have registered successfully. Okay, and you're logged in. And let me show you in the user table you have a user with the Ved named. And let me log out. Let's try to log in with the same credentials, Ved at gmail.com, password 128. Let's click on login. So here you see you have logged in successfully, and also you'll see a profile option, so you can set or update your password and username too, and also you can delete the account. Okay, so guys, in this video that's it. We have seen about how to install the authentication package in our Laravel 11 version. So guys, in this video that's it, and now let's continue in the next video with the new topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.